Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes the employee overtime hours in the Data Analytics Reporting section. Using a manager or the Global Administrator user account, select Data Analytics Reporting on the left menu bar. Then select Employee Overtime Hours Data Analytics Report. The Select Department drop list will display the department or departments the manager manages. Proceed to select the department from this list. Then select the employee from the employee drop list. Select the start date range. And the end date range. Which will include any applicable overtime hours the employee has worked. Then proceed to click the Update Chart button. The charted data will display the overtime hours the employee has worked on the top of each bar graph, grouped by the workweek date. The total overtime hours of that period is also displayed in the chart title. You can change the charted data to another employee by selecting that employee in the employee drop list, then clicking the Update Chart button. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.